Let us do Shalabhasana, the locust pose. From Makarasana, take both the palm under the thighs. If you can, place the fist in Adi Mudra. Thumb at the base of the little finger, make a fist and place this fist under the thighs close to the groin area. Chin firmly on the mat. Inhale and lift both the legs up. Stretch the toes backward. Hold the posture while you inhale and exhale normally. After a few breaths, slowly relax and drop the legs down. Release the hands and rest in Makarasana. The best relaxing posture after you do the locust pose is Sisuvasana. Rise up and rest in child pose.